Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of freelance writing. If you have a passion for writing and want to turn it into a profitable career, this video is for you. We'll be exploring how you can offer freelance writing services and write articles or blog posts for clients. So, let's get started. Introduction to freelance writing. Freelance writing is a flexible and rewarding way to earn money by utilizing your writing skills. As a freelance writer, you have the freedom to work from anywhere and choose your clients and projects. You can specialize in various niches, such as travel, technology, health, or business, and provide valuable content to businesses, websites, or publications. Identifying your writing niches. The first step in offering freelance writing services is identifying your writing niches. Consider your interests, knowledge, and expertise. Are you passionate about health and wellness, or do you have a knack for creating engaging marketing content? By focusing on specific niches, you can position yourself as an expert and attract clients who need content in those areas. Building your writing portfolio. A strong writing portfolio is essential for attracting clients and showcasing your skills. Start by creating a portfolio website or a dedicated section on your existing website. Include a variety of writing samples that demonstrate your versatility and expertise in different niches. If you're just starting out, consider creating your own blog or contributing guest posts to gain experience and showcase your work. Finding freelance writing opportunities. Finding freelance writing opportunities can be done through various channels. Start by joining freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr, where you can create a profile and bid on writing projects. Network with other writers and professionals in your desired niches through social media platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter. Additionally, reach out to website owners, businesses, or publications directly to inquire about writing opportunities. Crafting compelling pitches. When pitching your writing services to potential clients, it's crucial to craft compelling pitches that grab their attention. Personalize your pitch by addressing the client by name and demonstrating your knowledge of their industry or website. Highlight your relevant experience and skills, and provide specific ideas for articles or blog posts you could write for them. Keep your pitch concise, professional, and persuasive. Delivering high-quality writing. Once you've secured a writing project, it's time to deliver high-quality content to your clients. Start by thoroughly researching the topic and understanding the client's requirements. Create an outline to structure your article or blog post and ensure it flows logically. Write engaging introductions, use subheadings to organize your content, and provide valuable insights and information. Proofread and edit your work before submitting it to the client. Closing. Offering freelance writing services is an excellent way to turn your passion for writing into a rewarding career. By identifying your writing niches, building a strong portfolio, and actively seeking opportunities, you can land writing projects that align with your interests and expertise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.